afternoon, my dear students. I am teaching class 9th, chapter 1, chemistry, that is matter in our surroundings. In the last lecture, we have seen about the characteristics of the solid state. Now, in this lecture, we will be studying about characteristics of liquid states. So, we will be learning about characteristics of liquid state. So, the matter which has got fixed volume but no fixed shape will be known as the liquid state. So the first characteristics will be it is having fixed volume but no fixed shape. Why it doesn't takes a fixed shape? Because it takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. So why it changes, keep on changing its shape? Because it is having less intermolecular force of attraction, between the particles or between the molecules as compared to solid. Solid has got more molecular force of attraction. That is why the reason is they are not rigid. Once they are not rigid, that means they have got the ability to flow, and this ability to flow will be giving this state a term known as fluid. So the liquids are what? The liquids are fluid. And if we talk about the diffusion rate, so it is the rate of diffusion is less as compared. Rate of diffusion means the state solid, liquid and gas, they all can dissolve in the liquid state. One example can be like solid, sugar or salt can dissolve in water. Liquid can be, your milk can be dissolved in water. Gases like for example oxygen can be dissolved in water, and this dissolved oxygen is very necessary for the survival of the aquatic organism. Now we come to the space, intermolecular space. So intermolecular space will be more as compared to solid states. Okay students, now the last topic is they have got, as compared to the solid, less density. Solids have got high density, they have got less density as compared to the solid state. Okay students, so in the end we will be giving a table which will justify all the characteristics in comparison. Basically intermolecular force of attraction and intermolecular space, rigidity, diffusibility, these are some of the characteristics of the liquid state. In the next lecture we will be studying about the gaseous state. So student, please go through these characteristics from your NCERT textbook, and homework will be uploading on the portal. Thank you students.